Mama, may I have your book and pen, please? Okay. Hips, I'm going to write something. You must try and read it.
A hat, a big hat, a big red hat.
My cat on the mat. My fat cat on the mat. This is fun.
Give me the book, please. Thank you. I will write some sentences for you. Take turns to read. Now read these. Slowly, clearly. Chinu, you start.
A dog sat on the mat.
This is a red bus.
My hut is not big.
It is a hot day.
The cow is by the pen.
That hen is in the pot.
Okay, we've reached. Time to go home. Let's thank the driver and be off. Well, Hips, did you have a good time?
I had a super time, Mama Yane. Thank you. See you in school, Chinnu. Bye-bye.
Bye, Hips. See you in school.